Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kyntait Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Menteri Jongkatanat Sam Boarding Hakajalla James PK Sangma Hakalai Potrik Unaiwing Arajar Arpo Ulo Kyntait war halor ka Jingkynnoh bakaladon ka Jingtemu ban Aiti penyai no Shaki Kompeni Jingkynnoh Shimet ya ka Megalia Energy Corporation Limited. Habayakaran bat ka Batisi TV James PK Sangma ulaong baka Jingtemu jong ka Sarkar India kamday satya nakabenta ban IY Shaki Kompeni Jingkynnoh Shimet ya ka distribution company Hakari India barok kaway. Henry kadai tangkalat ban syua ye ki license haka baki distribution company kindubla ban Aiti kala ye ka license syaki waipan. Haka jo ko por ulaong baka sarkar kampat la shimrai AA haka baye day bat kani ka benta Henry kani ka khubor kadai tang ka jing snotho bakala jong ki pajba.
The crisis in the Meecl was not born yesterday. Okay. The crisis has been brewing, has been accumulating over the past so many years, and this is something you cannot really expect a quick fix solution to it. We cannot expect that a solution can come and resolve all the challenges and the issues presently plaguing the Meecl, and we are very in that way concerned, and we are working tirelessly towards finding solutions. The Meecl has a lot of problems in terms of high AT&C losses, which is aggregate technical and commercial losses. If we were to bring down these losses, then we would see that the revenue would phenomenally jump. Okay, and once we bring about these changes and reduce AT&C losses by these interventions that we are putting in right now in terms of improving the distribution network by coming about and installing new substations, transformers, so all these kind of interventions will help in reduction of AT&C losses, which will in other ways improve the efficiency and also improve the revenue generation of Meecl. And thereby, things like, problems which have been there in terms of payment of salaries, all these things we expect and we hope that these will be problems which will, once we have things in places which will bring down AT&C losses, these are the things that we will be able to resolve from such kind of interventions. But as I said, it cannot, the problem cannot be solved immediately. Salaries are a big concern for us, and we are very concerned about making sure that we do manage to pay the salaries. And Meecl is, I'm very sure they're working overnight to ensure that. But the problems are there. There's no doubt about that. And these problems have been accumulating for so many years. This is something that I think talks about distribution licensees. That distribution licensees will be allowed, and I think this is something that needs more clarity, and a lot of people don't really understand what it's all about. And when the clarity is there, I'm very sure most of the fears will be allayed. Privatizing distribution discoms. It is not about privatizing discoms, it's about distribution licensees, right? So distribution discoms can sublet their licenses to others. So it's in that kind of a thing. It's not about privatization of corporations. I think a lot of people are misunderstanding the whole thing. It's not about privatization of corporation and Meecl is going to be privatized or something. That is not there.